Let me just turn this on. Okay. Z17.1. Okay. Funny sound effects. Now, that was 1991. So let's fast forward 9 years to 2000 with the release of this. Now, my grandmother used to have this, and this used to be Dad's, and both this one and this one are dual booted, which means they have 2 operating systems installed. Right now, this one's running Panther 10.3.9, so let's just touch. You can touch it here or here. Now I hit the speakers behind because they were falling apart. So there's the Apple logo. Now, for 2001, when this was released, with the Apple logo. Why aren't you focusing? There we go. Right, the cube is ready. Almost. I have to log in as Dad, because and now the titanium PowerBook is ready. See it? Well, the cube is now ready. scan notification. No. This one I have to log in as mom. So let's just go to About this Mac and About Finder. This one has Jaguar 10.2.8, 400 MHz G4, 384 megs of RAM, Finder V10.2, and other operating systems it can run is OS 9, this one's running Panther 10.3.9. It's got 128 megs of RAM. I should upgrade it to 256 megs because 128 megabytes is not fast enough. 450 megahertz of processor. Find a version 10.3.3. Now I'm gonna restore these back to OS 9 in a moment. Saw it before. So the cube is about to restart OS 9. Now let's restart the PowerBook with OS 9. The PowerBook is about to start OS 9. Now we'll just go to the About This Computer. The OS 9, the version of OS 9 that they have installed is OS Z1 to 9.2.2. It says OS Z1 to 9.2.2. Now we're gonna show you what type of classic sounds these computers have. So they have. That was funny. Now, glass imported from OS X. Indigo. Pong 2003. Okay. Simple beep. Single click. Imported from OS X.
Uh-oh. Now. So let's see. Now, same sounds as before. Now, let's just restart up disk. Waiting for it. System.
Restart. Restart. There goes the PowerBook. And the cube. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna pause here. Now let's fast forward a couple of years to 2006 with the release of this. This is an original polycarbonate MacBook released in 2006. It's got an Intel Core 2 Duo processor at 2.0 gigahertz. This is the white edition. No, this used to be Mum's, and this used to be Mum's. Now let's just turn it on. This one only has one operating system. Okay, most of the data I moved to an external hard drive. Now, let's just go to about this Mac and about Finder. With Tiger 10.4.11, 1 gigabyte 667 megahertz DDR2 SDRAM. Find the version 10.4.7. Now, I don't have a lot of software on it, so I can't really use it for anything. Now, and I'll head upstairs in a moment. There it goes, and that's it.